Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a delicious and healthy snack in just 1 minute, Greek yogurt with berries. For this recipe you'll need a cup of Greek yogurt, a handful of fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. First, scoop a cup of Greek yogurt into a bowl. Next, top it with a handful of fresh berries. You can use blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or any of your favorites. Finally, drizzle a bit of honey on top for some natural sweetness. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and healthy Greek yogurt with berries ready in just 1 minute. This is just one video in our 10-part series of 1-minute healthy recipes. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when the next video launches. Thanks for watching.